The quantum internet just got a massive step closer to reality. IonQ, one of the biggest names in quantum computing, just completed their acquisition of a Boston startup called Lightsynq Technologies. Now, you might be thinking, another technology company acquisition, so what? But here's why this one matters. As most of you know, IonQ builds quantum computers. These are the machines that use the weird properties of quantum physics to solve problems that would take traditional computers thousands of years. Think of breaking encryption, discovering new medicines, or optimizing logistics for entire cities. The problem, though? Current quantum computers are like having a really powerful sports car, but you can only drive it around in your driveway. That's where Lightsynq comes in. These guys, led by Harvard quantum networking experts who used to work at Amazon's research division, have figured out how to build what's essentially quantum highways. They've developed something called photonic interconnects. Imagine fiber optic cables, but for quantum information instead of regular data. Here's what makes this fascinating, though. Right now, quantum computers are limited by how many qubits they can pack into a single system before everything becomes too unstable. It's like trying to have a conversation in a room that gets noisier with every person you add. Lightsynq's technology lets you take multiple smaller, more stable quantum computers and link them together seamlessly, creating a much more powerful system overall. But it gets better. They've also cracked quantum memory and repeater technology. In the quantum world, information is incredibly fragile. It's like trying to pass along a whispered secret through a chain of people, except the secret gets corrupted just by someone listening to it. Lightsynq's quantum memory can store and relay this information over long distances without losing it, which is absolutely crucial for building a quantum internet. And to top that, this isn't IonQ's first rodeo either. They've been on an acquisition spree, previously buying companies called Qubit Tech and ID Quantique. They're essentially assembling all the pieces needed for quantum networking. This latest move adds over 20 patents to their collection, giving them serious intellectual property firepower in this industry. What really excites me about this is the timeline acceleration. IonQ's CEO mentioned they're moving from experimental bulk optics to actual scalable optical chips that could work in real-world data centers. The quantum internet isn't just science fiction anymore. We're talking about a network where quantum computers across the globe could share information instantaneously, creating computational power that's practically limitless. Banks could have unbreakable security, researchers could simulate entire ecosystems, and we might finally crack problems like climate change modeling that are currently impossible. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with IonQ and other quantum computing news and companies, be sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.